everyone, it's Catherine again, here with Coupon Cart Club, just with a quick unboxing video, and guess what we're doing? Woo! Hi everyone, it's Muffins from Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99.
When you see this, it's Free Stuff Friday. Alright, so as you guys know, I am subscribed to Influenster. Influencer does help you get free items that you can try out. So I definitely signed up for this program. It's absolutely free to sign up. So what they do is they give you products. You just tell your reviews on it, and then you just get free stuff, and it's super amazing. So this time, Influencer is working with Bagel Bites. So I hope you guys are excited for it. I'm excited. I can't wait to try them. I noticed that the box seems a little small, and I know that Bagel Bites usually come in like boxes a little bit bigger. So we'll check it out and we'll see what is going to be in here. So it does say Bagel Bites, a delicious bite-sized snack that you can eat at any time. I know that my kids love it. It's snack without limits. My kids usually love getting these things, so I do usually pick them up from the store. So I'm a little familiar with Bagel Bites and their little bite-sized things. They're really good for like quick lunches or a quick snack in between meals. It's really good, and I do appreciate it. So I'm excited, and let's open this bad boy up. I'm sorry, I almost did it without you guys being a part of it. So let's open it up. We got a few goodies in here, as you can see. I got my Influencer card. It tells you everything on the back. It says Bagel Bites combines pizza and a bagel into a delicious bite-sized snack your family will love. You can eat it whenever, because when pizza is on a bagel, you can eat pizza anytime. I used to remember this commercial when I was younger, and I used to actually love it. We used to sing it all the time. When it's pizza on a bagel, you can eat pizza anytime. So, you know, I was super excited to be a part of this. Make sure that you follow Bagel Bites on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This is amazing. So it just basically just tells me what I need to do. Log into my Influencer, pick up Bagel Bites from my freezer aisle, and then let us know how delicious and amazing that it is. So I will be taking you guys on this journey, showing you everything else that's in the box. That's for my ASMR friends who like the sounds of everything. Alright, so I'm going to show you this. I did receive a coupon. It says save $2.99 on any one Bagel Bites. This coupon is allowed per person per transaction. So this is only for one coupon. It's really good. It expires November 30th. This is a really good deal. I'm going to try to run over to one of my favorite stores and see if I can pick them up with these bad boy. I do love getting these type of coupons, because usually when you get them directly from the stores, the value is much higher. So I'm super excited for this, and I can't wait to pick them up in my frozen aisle. And then they did give me one extra little treat, which I think is so cute, which is a Bagel Bite oven mitt. Oh, this is so cute. So when I'm taking my Bagel Bites out of the toaster oven, I'm not burning my fingers. And that's amazing. I think that that's really cute. It is really good quality, but it is made, you know, China.
It comes from China.
It's made overseas, which isn't an issue. I don't really care about that. But no, it is really good, and it's really cute, and I really enjoy it. This is nice. I am definitely going to be using this, and especially the coupon. So guys, if you haven't signed up for Influencer yet, make sure that you check down below. I do have a link for my code, so you can join underneath my code, and definitely tell your friends about it. Yep. Well, it's time. Well, it's time to try these babies out.
Come with like an easy tray to pull out. So you can just take off the plastic and put it right in the toaster oven. Make sure to set your toaster oven at 400 degrees and let these bad boys cook for 16 minutes.
Put this thing back.
Now it's time to take it out. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, now we have to let it sit for at least a minute so we don't burn anybody.
Is it hot?
Yes, it's a little hot. You gotta wait, okay?
Alright, beautiful people, thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who would like to join Facebook, I'll have the link down below. And if you want to have a coupon meeting, we normally have them digitally every Tuesday. Just send me a quick email at couponcartclub@gmail.com. Oh, right, beautiful people, I hate to say it, but you know I gotta do it. Gotta go right now. So I will see you beautiful people soon. Alright, bye.